Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare not opening. Is easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, then go to Windows Update Settings, and now check for updates, and after that make sure to install all the updates that you will find. Then go back and now go to Task Manager, and then click Memory to see application that takes your memory. Now just right click and close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome, and just close all the applications that you don't need when playing, and you must know what they do before closing them. And then go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, and make sure to install, to download and to install the latest update if you find it. And I hope that can help you. See you in the next video.